So the cube seems to be a kind of watchtower. Very cool. Good morning. I'm here in the new Queen Circuit Park, which is next to the Chatuchak Park and the Chatuchak Market. And this is a park that's still under construction, but you can already visit it and have a look. And it seems to be quite similar in style to the Bangkok Chatuchak Park. I think it will be an exercise park, an activity park. You will see a lot of installations for kids, and you can do exercise here, and there is going to be some running paths, and I'm pretty sure you can use your bicycle as well. So let me give you a quick tour. So after the Bangkok Chatuchak Park and the new Rama 9 Park, this is the third park that is under construction at the moment. And I can see it made a lot of progress compared to the last time that I was here. A lot of landscaping going on here, and I guess in the evening there's going to be lights just like in the Bangkok Chatuchak Park. Looks like it's going to be a nice place. Yeah, I think this is a bit more a park for exercise and playing, where the Bangkok Chatuchak Park also has a function as a kind of drainage. But I can see a lot of waterways, and there are some play areas for the kids there. Yeah, I'm actually on my way on my 1st of January bike ride, and I discovered quite a lot of cool places already. So I guess 2023 is going to be a good year. Again, it always amazes me to see how Bangkok is developing, how they keep constructing new things. Just absolutely amazing. And this looks like the fitness area. Let me check out that big white cube over there. It actually looks like a tower that you can climb in, and you might have a view. So this park is next to the Chatuchak Park, which you can connect to with the Chatuchak MRT station or the Mo Chit BTS. So if you would like to come and have a check, but let me just check out when this is gonna open. See a long slide over there. Yeah, I'm always happy to discover new stuff. And I was here about a year ago when they were doing the groundwork for this park. From here you have a nice view. It's gonna look. If any of the subscribers has any idea when this opens up, feel free to leave a comment in the description. I'm always interested to know what's going on in Bangkok, and then definitely when it's ready I'm gonna be back. The Rot Fai Park is over there, and I will go and have a look a little later. So the cube seems to be a kind of watchtower. So that will actually be cool. You can climb in there and have a nice view of the park and the skyline behind it. Very cool. You can smell the paint. Yeah, this is one of these typical videos where I was not aware how far they were with the construction here, so I am not aware of any information about this park. I only know the location, so I will get all the details online, and then I will leave information in the bottom of this video. But anyway, these are actually the videos that I like to make the most, because it's always cool to explore, I would say, one of the coolest cities in the world. I'm always happy that I live here and that Sawadee I get to experience all this new stuff and all the developments. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this update regarding the new Queen Circuit Park here in Chatuchak. If you enjoyed it, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.